Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I turn this vintage lighter kit from WoodRiver into this walnut lighter. The first thing we're going to do is get our piece of wood in the chuck, and we're just going to round it down so we don't have all the edges. And then we're going to drill our hole for the lighter to fit inside. Now we're going to measure to see where we need to cut this tube off for the lighter. We're going to turn on the lathe just so that we can mark it, and then we want to double check, and this is the reason why I got it slightly off. So I made another mark, and then we just use a parting tool to cut that off. Now we're going to give our lighter its final shape. To do this, I put the lighter blank on a pin mandrel with some ring brushings to hold it in place, and just got it to where I wanted it. Now we're just going to wire burn in a few little spots. I applied a CA finish to this one again. If you guys want to see how to do that, you can check out the video that I have on it. I'll link up above. We're just going to apply a little bit of polish. And then once that's done, we can assemble it. And there it is, all done. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe.